Cosmic Wanderer, this is Mission Control. All systems are stable. Navigation is locked. Directly ahead of you is Alpha Centauri, one of the closest star systems to our own. But before we begin the approach, look to your right. That small point of light in the distance is the Sun. From here, our solar system is more than 4 light years away, approximately 40 trillion kilometers across interstellar space. Now turn back toward Alpha Centauri. From this distance, it appears to be a single star. Its light has also been traveling for more than 4 years before reaching Earth, which means every time we observe Alpha Centauri from our planet, we see it as it existed years in the past. Today, however, we are no longer watching from Earth. We are moving directly toward it. The star ahead is growing brighter, but something else is beginning to appear beside it. What looked like a single point of light is slowly separating into two. We have reached the central pair of the Alpha Centauri system. The larger yellow-white star is Alpha Centauri A. The smaller, slightly more orange star is Alpha Centauri B. These are not two unrelated stars passing near one another. They are connected by gravity, orbiting around a shared center located between them. One complete orbit takes approximately 80 years. As they travel around each other, the distance between them changes. Sometimes they move closer together. At other times, they become much more widely separated. But from Earth, more than 4 light years away, their light usually blends together and appears as a single bright star. Only from here can we see the system as it truly is. 2 enormous suns traveling together through space. There is also a third member of this system. Far beyond the central pair is Proxima Centauri, a small red dwarf. Proxima is technically the closest individual star to our solar system, but the 2 stars in front of us are the nearest stars that closely resemble our own sun. Our destination is the larger one, Alpha Centauri A. Keep Alpha Centauri B in view as we approach. It may appear small beside its brighter companion, but Alpha Centauri B is still a star in its own right. It is slightly smaller and cooler than the Sun, which gives its light a warmer, more orange appearance. Alpha Centauri A is different. It belongs to the same general family as our Sun, a stable yellow-white star powered by nuclear fusion. But it is not an exact copy. Alpha Centauri A is slightly larger, more massive, and brighter than the Sun. From a distance, it feels strangely familiar. After crossing the darkness between stellar systems, we have arrived beside another sun, a star formed far from our solar system. A star whose light has traveled across interstellar space throughout all of human history. Perhaps it is not alone. Recent observations have revealed evidence of a possible giant planet orbiting Alpha Centauri A. If it exists, it may be similar in mass to Saturn, traveling around the star at approximately twice the distance between Earth and the Sun. But the object has not yet been completely confirmed. For now, any worlds orbiting Alpha Centauri A remain hidden inside its powerful glare. Continue the approach. The star is expanding across the view. What once appeared as a point in the sky is becoming a massive sphere of glowing plasma. Alpha Centauri B remains visible beside it, but its light is beginning to disappear behind the growing brightness of Alpha Centauri A. Like the Sun, this star is made mainly from hydrogen and helium. It has no solid surface. There is no rock beneath the glowing light and no place where we could land. The star is held together by its own gravity. Deep inside, pressure and temperature become intense enough to transform hydrogen into helium, releasing the energy that keeps Alpha Centauri A shining. Without protection, the heat and radiation would already have destroyed any ordinary spacecraft. But your suit is prepared for this descent. It will protect you from the plasma, pressure, temperature, and radiation surrounding the star. We are approaching the photosphere. This is the visible layer of Alpha Centauri A, the region from which most of its light escapes into space. From Earth, it appears smooth and motionless. Up close, the entire surface is constantly moving. Bright regions rise from below, cool, sink, disappear, and form again. We are now entering the photosphere. There is no solid ground beneath you, only glowing plasma moving in every direction. The temperature here is close to 6,000 degrees Celsius, hot enough to vaporize almost any material we know. The bright cells surrounding you are called granules. Each one is a rising column of heated plasma from the deeper layers of the star. They appear and disappear like the surface of a boiling ocean. But this is not fire. Alpha Centauri A does not burn by using oxygen in the way flames burn on Earth. It is a nuclear star. Its energy originates far beneath the surface. We are passing into the convection zone. Here, heated plasma rises toward the surface while cooler material sinks again. This constant movement carries energy through the outer part of the star. Every region around you is being pushed, twisted, and reshaped by the heat escaping from below. The material is becoming denser. We are leaving the convection zone and entering the radiative interior. Down here, energy moves mainly through radiation. Photons cannot simply travel in a straight line toward the surface. The plasma is too dense. They are repeatedly absorbed and released, changing direction countless times as they slowly move outward. Energy created deep inside the star may remain trapped for thousands, tens of thousands, or even hundreds of thousands of years before finally escaping as light. Pressure continues to rise. Gravity is compressing everything from every direction. We are approaching the center of the star, the core of Alpha Centauri A. This is where its energy is created. The temperature reaches millions of degrees. Hydrogen nuclei are forced together under such intense pressure that they fuse into helium. A small amount of their mass is transformed into energy. This is nuclear fusion. The same process that powers our sun is happening here, more than 4 light years from Earth. Our descent is complete. Navigation is responding. Begin moving away from the core. Alpha Centauri B is visible again. As we continue moving away, their size begins to fade. The violent plasma, the crushing pressure, and the fusion hidden deep inside Alpha Centauri A are slowly disappearing behind a calm point of light. From Earth, these two stars seem almost like one, but now we know what exists beyond that distant glow. Two suns bound together by gravity, traveling through the darkness side by side. This mission was a success. Prepare yourself. Other adventures are already waiting for you among the stars.